In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Todoist with Notion so you can manage your tasks alongside your notes and projects. Let's get started. Open Todoist and navigate to the project or view you want to use in Notion. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Next, open the Notion page where you want your Todoist tasks to appear. Paste the Todoist link onto the page, then choose Create Embed if embedding is available. Resize the embedded window so it's comfortable to use. If embedding isn't available or you need a deeper integration, use an automation service like Zapier or Make to automatically sync tasks between Todoist and a Notion database. After the integration is set up, test it by creating or updating a task in Todoist and confirming it appears as expected in Notion or in your synced database. You can now manage your tasks without constantly switching between apps, keeping your projects and notes organized in one workspace. That's how to integrate Todoist with Notion. Thanks for watching.